honorable, worthy opponent, and my dear friends. Today, I stand in the favor of motion. My topic is the judicial system is fast enough to deliver the justice? Well, I'm Sandhya from Standard 10th. Today, we are going to see some about why judicial system is important and why I have chosen this topic regarding this. So let's begin. Firstly, I will going to start you with a line like the judicial system is the backbone of our country. It is the backbone of our democracy. It is justice and that is pillar of our democracy. While the person is carrying their rights, I want to say that this is a guardian of our fundamental rights, protector of our freedom and the defender of our constitution. Honorable judges, let me be very clear and loud. Calling the Indian judiciary system fast is not just wrong, it is unbelievable and unacceptable. Here, cases take days after days, years after years, generations after generation, and decades after decades. While our so-called judicial system will say delay, delay, and more delay. Here, cases drag for years. Justice, our victims ask for justice for so many years. Is this system fast? Is this system quick? Is this system even closer? No. So let me very clear it. First, judicial system in India is not fast. Second, judicial system in India is slow, absolutely. And that is why today I stand strongly against the motion. So let me begin with the most shocking fact. India has about 5 crore pending cases. About 4.7 crore cases are pending in subordinate court. About 63 lakh cases are pending in high courts and 88,000 cases are pending in Supreme Court. So take the example of famous Nirbhaya case of 2012. It took 8 years for the final punishment to be carried out. Imagine if the case with this much media attention has taken this much time, then the case with no media attention would take how much time? Is this justice? No, this is not justice. Here, justice is delayed, justice is denied, and even justice is destroyed. Thank you. This is possible. India is proving it. Well, I am Alisha Khan from Standard 10 and I am from the favor of this topic. So, firstly, I want to say, you have said that delayed judiciary is a denied judiciary, but I want to say that judiciary rust, it means judiciary crust. I know the wheel of the judiciary may be slow, but you must also remember it will also reach the truth. Nowadays, India have many sources for solving the judiciary. Nowadays, more than 18,000 codes are computerized, fast-track codes, POSCO codes, and many more codes are available in India. And the amazing fact is that nowadays India is solving more than 2 crore cases in a year. Do you know in a year India is solving more than 2 crore cases in a year? Is it possible? It is very challenging for the Indian judiciary systems. So I want to say that Indian judiciary system is working very faster. I only want to show the positive changes that make our judiciary system more efficient, more beneficial, and more faster than the before. Thank you. I'm Sonakshi Singh of Standard 10. Today we stand against the motion because shortage of judges leads to delay. With only 21 judges per million people, courts are overburdened, and fewer judges means delays, adjournments, rushed hearings, and directly slowing down the justice. Let us see an example of Kartar Singh, who spent 14 years in prison. Can you imagine? But he spent only for proving his innocence. By the time he was freed, his whole life was destroyed. So, our judiciary is strong in quality but extremely slow in speed. Thank you.
My name is Suhani Parveen, Standard 9th. Today we are gathered here to discuss the efficiency of our judiciary system, its strength and strengthen it further. I choose favor side because the judiciary speed is often criticized, but the significant improvement
So tell me one thing, listen first of all. So tell me one thing, that delay in